Hi everybody, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new video. Today we're making the weekly update where I review my adventure into becoming a successful trader into the financial markets. I review first my trading journal and my account valuations, and then I'm going to do the technical analysis of the financial markets, cryptocurrencies, and stocks mostly. Starting with my total profits in all of my accounts, I own multiple accounts that you can see there. I separate in three categories: one cryptocurrency account and two stocks accounts. And you can see my profits are making an all-time high thanks to my trade on the cryptocurrency KDA. I made this week one of the best performance I believe I've ever had in 1 week. 5,600 euros in a week. That's 9% growth on my portfolio. That's really amazing profits I'm making right there. Hope it's going to keep going like that so I can buy a new car soon. Very appreciate that. If you look at more detail about my cryptocurrency valuation, you can see I track weekly. I'm reaching the end of my thing. I need to get it wider. There you go. You can see we are at the November 8th. And I started tracking my portfolio since the beginning of the year. And you can say I have a nice history that I made very well during the first bull market. I doubled my account valuation, stopped ranging around the 15,000 euros of profits. And now we're starting to we're making a breakout to new highs. So I hope it's going to keep going like that. If you look at more into details about my stock accounts, you can see I'm a very bad stock trader. Since I started on stocks, I've lost 4,000, not even more than 4,000. I've lost $5,000 on my stock trading. So I'm still working on my stock trading. Fortunately, I have more money into crypto than I have in stocks. So it's the risk is managed. Let's get to technical analysis. We're going to first go to Bitcoin and crypto, and then we're going to do the stock indexes. I think most of you are interested into crypto, but some of you might be interested into stocks too, so I'm not going to let you down. Cryptocurrency, it looks absolutely perfect. This is the best scenario we wished for. If you've not been there for a while, you know this huge base we broke. I'm going to do it in a better way. There we go. This huge base we broke back in November right there, and we made a nice bull market, and that is triggering a new bull phase. What I'm in my dreams, this is no prediction. This is just pure speculation. Imagine that what we saw right there during the bull market, that was a weekly trend. You have impulsions, corrections. Imagine that this was just one impulsion and a big correction. And imagine we're actually starting a monthly trend on Bitcoin, and that in the future we're going to see a cycle where you have multiple uptrends and downtrends like this on the monthly. This would be absolutely amazing. Anyway, right now what we're seeing is a clear breakout of the 60,000 US dollars area. That was a very strong level. You can see we tested it for so long, and now we're finally above it. It's been retested. It's been tested and tested again. Very interesting breakout we saw. We had a range just on the support. Two investors were fighting. There were people trying to sell and people trying to buy. The buyers won the battle and are now trying to impose their view on the next weeks and months, and we hope to see a new bull market. If you look at the total market cap, you can see it's broken out for a longer time. The breakout happened on October 11, and you can see we've been since in a nice steady bull market. That there was a resistance right there. We made a correction. We bounced. Everything is so easy, and it's bull markets that are easy like this. It's a pleasure to trade this. You are not scared because the price goes back on you. Your trade are neutralized very fast. It's very pleasant to trade this. Look at that. It goes up in a straight line. It has no spike in volatility. This is the market cap excluding Bitcoin, and this is the market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is the altcoin market cap, and you can see it's looking very bullish. If you look at just this, you can see it's making new all-time highs. So all-time highs everywhere. We're in a bull market. We look at Bitcoin dominance. If we break this resistance, we are coming to altcoin season. If we break down this support, we are coming to Bitcoin season. Right now we're in this range. There is now clear view of whether investors prefer investing into Bitcoin or altcoin. So I'm investing into both, trying to spot the best performing ones, of course. And if you look at Ethereum, well, the breakout happened also much earlier. It happened there on October 19. You can see the trend is not that strong on Ethereum. You know, Ethereum usually likes to do very rangy, choppy markets and then move in a spike. So you see there you have your rangy market and then boom, it moves in a spike. This is how Ethereum likes to do. I'm not really putting much on Ethereum. It's not the best looking right now. It's a weekly setup. So yeah, there was a trade to take right there. I have some Ethereum, but it's not the kind of opportunity that I enjoy. I'm much more interested into small caps. Just a quick presentation of one of the trade I did last week was KDA. Amazing trade on KDA. I'm astonished by the quality of this trade. I did so well. So to give you an idea, I'm a trend follower, so I try to catch the best trends possible. Now we're in a bull market, so this is where I'm good. I'm not good in range and bear markets, but in bull markets I'm the best, and this is where I make all my money. And you can see we have nice, pure, elegant trends. This is what I want. And then you have consolidation, pure, subtle, elegant, clear level that you need to break to validate the setup. Then you break the level with some kind of volume. You can see there was volume here on the breakout. I take the trade. I entered first a little of my position here, then a little on the retest. So I built a massive position on this. Then I entered another part of my position on the breakout right there. You can check my Twitter and see all the trade directly in front of your eyes. My positions are public. All of this is real. This is 100% real money and real trading. This is not bullshit. I'm not making you think that I did when I did not do it. I was commenting it live on Twitter, so you can go and check it on Twitter. And I rode the trend until I saw this big red candle that you can see right there on the volume. This means that the big holder of this thing, the big money, is getting out of the trade. And after a massive 138% run up, I think it was time for me to get out of this trade, and I'm so happy. If we see another consolidation like this, we see something like this, I'll enter again. I have no problem getting out and entering again. And there are also trades that don't work. I tried this on COTI USDT that did not work. I tried something on Dance that did not work. Tried something on Gamer Token that did not work. The trade on SHIB, I was very well, gave me a nice profit, so I'll make a video special about it. I tried something on Solana that didn't work. I tried to take the breakout and you can see turned its back on me. So not everything works, not everything is easy, but the main goal is really to manage your risk and try to take the best decisions. I'm not going to review all my positions. If you want me to review all my positions every single week, ask me in the comments, but I'm not going to review everything because this is going to make the video too long. For the financial markets, the stock markets, you can see in the United States, we're making all-time high every single week. Very nice. Technology is carrying the market with the NASDAQ going to all-time high every single week. At this point, this is becoming ridiculous. Look how strong this index is. And France also made a new ever all-time high on its stock market. This is the French stock market labeled in euros, and you can see we have now gotten above the previous high from the 2000 bubble. This is amazing. What I wanted to share too was the small caps. This is mid-cap index, and you can see that it's breaking out. This is basically it's the S&P for mid-capitalizations in the US markets. You can see finally we're breaking out this 6-month nothing, and small caps are also breaking out of this 6-month nothing. So there are really something happening into stocks. I entered on some stocks because the market is now turning bullish again. You can see I own quite a few stocks that I'm trying something. And if you want to have my opinion on the sectors, I am looking at technology. This is iShares S&P Mid Cap Growth, which is basically mid cap technology. Small cap technology, look at this. It's breaking out of this huge range, and I like range breakouts. Semiconductors have also been one of the leader in the space. I think it's too late to enter, but I'm just monitoring this. You have blockchain stocks. I'm gonna review a special video about them. We are still far from a new all-time high. I think we might see it in the next weeks. It's very likely that in 2 or 3 weeks we see a new all-time high on this. But blockchain stocks are looking amazing. There was a fake breakout on solar, I recall. No, it's not a fake breakout, it's a retest. So solar, very, very good looking. I spoke about it last week. Rare earth metals looking very good on the pre-market also. I'm looking at financials that are still value investing, but are very, very good looking in terms of the indexes are very good looking. And what did I want to look at? Yeah, uranium. I wanted to speak about uranium. Uranium, don't miss on this. I made a special video yesterday. You can see, daily is better. You can see we have a beautiful cup and handle. I'm waiting for the breakout. Of course, I do not never anticipate. So if we break above this, this is going to be the start or maybe a new bullish wave on uranium. That would be very appreciated. That's it. There are many, many things that look bullish. All the markets look bullish. Stocks look bullish. Crypto look bullish. If you're not going to make money in this market, well, you should be afraid because this is really when you should be making money. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice week and we'll trade very well. Remember, the first rule is to manage your risk and never lose money. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.